What's up, tribe? It's Sheju here back again with a brand new video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be doing something a little different than the regular schedule that we usually have on this channel. Because in this video, as you probably guessed from the title, I'm going to be covering the best 3 budget laptops, not phones this time, but laptops to buy for college students. So if you're a college student or you're about to get into university and you do not have $1,000 to spend on a new MacBook or $2,000 even to spend on an Alienware laptop, this is the video for you, because not only are these laptops budgety and cheap, but they also have some really high-end specs. I'll also honestly advise that you stick around to the very end of the video, because at the very end I'm going to be giving you guys my #1 top pick out of these 3 laptops that I'm going to be mentioning. So if you want to find out what that #1 top pick is, be sure to stick around till the very end of the video. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Intro, baby, let's go. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Sheju, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Because on this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make tech reviews and unboxing videos. So if you are interested in that kind of content, which I believe you are because you are obviously watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also tap that little post notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you find yourself enjoying this video at any point in the video, be sure to smash that like button. It goes a long way to tell me that you guys enjoy this form of content and makes me make more of these types of videos for you guys. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Now, the #1 laptop here is no surprise, because this company has been making some pretty good PCs over time, and I'm talking about the company Acer, and this laptop is the Acer Chromebook 15. And now let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Acer Chromebook 15 and see exactly the specs that this laptop is packing. Now, for CPUs, the Acer Chromebook 15 has a 1.5 GHz dual-core CPU and an Intel HD graphics card. It also comes standard with 4 GB of RAM and a screen size of 15.6 inches, which is a 1920 by 1080 Full HD display. When it comes to storage, the Acer Chromebook 15 has 32 GB SSD storage, and it has Wi-Fi connection obviously and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. It also has a 720p front-facing webcam camera, and the entire laptop only weighs 4.85 pounds. Now, the price of the Acer Chromebook 15 is only $215.27. Now let's move over to the second laptop on this list, which is obviously, you guessed it, the Microsoft Surface Go. I mean, what is the best budget laptop video without mentioning the honorable Microsoft Surface Go? Now, the Microsoft Surface Go, as far as CPU goes, has an Intel Pentium Gold processor and an Intel HD graphics card. It also has 4 GB and 8 GB RAM options and has a 10-inch screen. The Microsoft Surface Go has options of 64 GB and a 128 GB SSD storage. And you guessed it, the Microsoft Surface Go starts at only $399. Now, moving over to the third device is a company that is also not new in the laptop space, and I'm talking about HP. And this laptop is the HP Pavilion 14. Nice. So one last time, let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the HP Pavilion 14 and see exactly what this laptop is packing. Now, as far as CPUs go, the HP Pavilion 14 has an 8th gen Intel Core i5 CPU and an Intel UHD graphics card. It also has 8 GB of RAM and a 14-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 screen. The HP Pavilion 14 also comes with 256 GB SSD storage. The HP Pavilion 14, as at the time of recording this video, starts at around $580. Now, I've mentioned 3 amazing laptops in this video, but which one will I advise you to get right now if you're thinking of getting a laptop for yourself? I'll honestly advise you to go with the Microsoft Surface Go, and here's just a couple of reasons why I will advise you to do that. And some of the reasons are that the Microsoft Surface Go is really portable, and it also serves as a 2-in-1 laptop, which means that it is also a tablet. The Microsoft Surface Go also has a really nice build quality, and it is pretty cheap because it starts at around $399. So for the price of $399, you can pick up the Microsoft. So for the price of $399, you can pick up a Microsoft Surface Go laptop and hand. So for the price of $399, which is not so expensive, for the do it. Just do it! So for the price of $399, which is not so expensive, you can pick up a Microsoft Surface Go laptop for yourself, and I can assure you that you will not have any regrets about it. Now that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which one of these laptops would you have picked or preferred for yourself? Do not also forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you really enjoyed it. Also follow us on our social media platforms at TechTribe1 on Twitter and at TechTribe on Instagram. Drop a comment before you leave. I reply to every single one of my comments, so I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see your beautiful faces next week Friday. Peace.